Organising paragraphs around a theme. A paragraph is a collection of sentences written as one block of writing about the same theme. Paragraphs have a line between them, so you can easily spot them, and it makes the text easier for the reader to read. Paragraphs are used to show the passing of time, place, or theme. Now you have read through the Waggle diary entry, let's discuss the paragraphs we have used. As we are discussing the themes, notice that the paragraphs are written in chronological order. This means they are written about the events in the order they happened, from when Charlie first arrived in the Stone Age until the point he has just escaped from the wolf cave and he's sitting on the ledge with Harby, passing the time before nightfall and the wolves go out hunting, so Harby and Charlie can escape. Our first paragraph is a very short introduction setting the scene, letting the diary know that Charlie and Harby are stuck on the platform waiting for the wolves to go. The second paragraph is all about meeting Harby for the first time, what he looks like, and how Mandale Forest looks different. The third paragraph is about the cave paintings in Dead Man's Cave. The fourth paragraph is about the wolf attacking Charlie, and the fifth paragraph is about finding the wolf pups. Can you see how we have grouped the information around different themes? This way, it makes it easier for you to write and for the reader to both read and understand.